Hello everyone, this is Healthy Options with Maureen. Today we'll be making some quinoa salad. Quinoa is actually very good for you. This is one very refreshing and very nourishing meal. Please do give this a go. Thank you. So for our quinoa salad, we'll start off with our quinoa. We are going to start cooking this while we prep the other ingredients. As you can see, I'm using red quinoa in this case. If you don't have red quinoa, you can also substitute it with red sorghum. I've tried sorghum in salads and it works very well. And I'll be leaving a card above so you can check that out as well. So I'm just going to start rinsing out my quinoa right now. So right here I have a bowl. I'm going to be placing a sieve just within the bowl and the quinoa goes in. So I'm just going to rinse this under the running tap, placing my bowl beneath. So that's enough, and I will just let this drain. Usually with quinoa, if you're cooking 1 cup of quinoa, you need 2 cups of water. In this case, I'm cooking 3/4 cups of quinoa, so I'll be using 1.5 cups of water. So I'm just going to turn the quinoa into the water that way. So I'm just going to turn on my heat and I'll bring this to a boil. And once it comes to a rapid boil, we'll turn it down to a gentle simmer and cover it up, then let it cook completely. So that's exactly what our quinoa looks like. As you can see, I already started checking for doneness and the water is completely dry. So I'm just going to cover this and let the steam fluff it up really nicely while I finish prepping my other salad ingredients. So for our vinaigrette, we'll just throw a couple of ingredients together, and here we have some olive oil, some apple cider vinegar, lemon juice, a little bit of honey, some mustard. You can use Dijon mustard. In this case, I'm using German mustard, some black pepper, and some salt. So we'll just be throwing all this into a bowl and we'll whisk it all together to give our vinaigrette. Olive oil goes in. We're using extra virgin olive oil in this case. Apple cider, the lemon juice, honey goes in, and then the black pepper, salt and mustard, they all go in at once. So right now I'm going to go ahead and give this a really good whisk to give our vinaigrette. So right here the vinaigrette is set. We'll go ahead now to start combining our salad. So to assemble our quinoa salad, we already prepped all our ingredients apart from the herbs, and we'll be introducing them as we go along. In here is our cooked quinoa. I just turned it into the salad bowl we'll be using to cool off. And here we have some diced cucumber, avocado, some diced tomato. I deseeded this. You can actually use cherry tomatoes too if you prefer. Some red onions, sunflower seeds, and right here we have some feta cheese and some herbs. In here is a mixture of mint leaves, a little bit of basil, and a little bit of parsley leaves. So I'll just go ahead and chop this, then we'll start combining our ingredients. So that's what we have there. Just a rough chop is all you need. So into our salad bowl goes the cucumbers, the diced tomato goes in, red onions, avocado goes in as well, then our chopped herbs, and then last but not the least our vinaigrette goes in. So I'm just going to give this a good toss. I'm going to be using the sunflower seeds and the feta cheese as a topping by the time we serve. So we have our quinoa salad served, and right now I'll be topping on some cheese. This is completely optional. You can actually make do without this. I'll be adding on the sunflower seeds as well as a topping. So that's how I like to serve my quinoa salad. Very nourishing and actually very refreshing as well. Filled with a lot of goodness that your body will thank you for. I hope you give this recipe a go and let us know what your take is on this. Please, if you've not subscribed, don't forget to do so by hitting on the subscribe button. Also turn on your notification bell so you can be notified when new videos come up. Please give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you.